You should create or review your budget monthly. This frequency allows you to, number one, adjust for changes. Income or expenses may fluctuate. So basically, monthly reviews can help you stay on track. Number two, monitor your spending habits. Regular check-ins lets you see where your money goes and to make necessary adjustments. All right. Number three, set and reassess your goals. Now, you can update savings goals or financial objectives based on your current situation. Number four, plan for upcoming expenses. So, anticipate bills or events in the coming month can help you prepare financially. Now, if you find it beneficial, you can also do a weekly check-in to stay aware of your spending throughout the month. But if I were you, I would just focus on investing. Get inside some funds that give you annual returns of 7%, and they exist. And by doing that, 7% of a million is 70,000. To get to a million could take you 20 years. 20 years ain't that bad to get a million and live off 70,000. That's if you're putting away, like, let's say, $215 a week. If you can do that, go for it.